Good morning, everybody. Jason with Pete's Equipment Sales up here in Vermont. I just want to go over a trailer really quick. I got to deliver it to New Hampshire, meet the customer this morning. It's a Metavic on-road trailer. We've done a bunch of off-road trailers recently. So this trailer here is a Metavic compact 16 foot. It is unique in one way. This is the first completely galvanized dump platform that Metavic has built. The customer waited very patiently for this trailer. It was behind schedule quite a bit due to the galvanizing process. But being up here in New England, all of you can appreciate that galvanized trailer and the salt and all the brine that we use to keep our roads safe for everybody to drive around. It's really hard on our trailers, and it's such a large investment that it was worth it. So you can see the break in the deck right here. This is a 16-foot deck, 14 feet of it dump. It's a platform dump. This step is kind of recently new on the trailers. I kind of like that, getting on and off the trailers. Has Dexter 8K axles. I've learned recently the 8K Dexter axle has a lot larger brake system than the 7K axles. Very similar to a lot of the other trailers I built. Just this one's a galvanized trailer. Again, 1600 loader, as you can see. This loader has the slide boom on it, the XT option. So a customer wanted to get that, go from 16 to 19 feet of reach. So he opted with a 1600 XT, and he's getting a spare tire with it, so that's why that's there. So as far as the controls go, again, electric open and close on the right, the rocker switch on the top joystick over here. This is for the XT portion, and again, open and close is over here. Again, splash guard on our trailers, nice little feature they just started doing. Butterfly outriggers, D-rings down in here in all our trailers, tie down your dingoes and your whackers and all that stuff there. Adjustable ratchet straps so you can slide wherever you want easily. We had a little concern yesterday when I sent him pictures, and he's like, I don't see my ramps. Well, Metavic came up with this new little system here. Pop this link off, this thing flips down. That's kind of neat. It used to be a chain. Chains were kind of a pain. And voila, out come your ramps. Again, Jason from Pete's Equipment Sales up here in Vermont, Metavic dealer for the US. We ship them all over. I'd like to deliver the next trailer that's leaving to Alaska, but I don't think it's in my schedule. Check out our website, petesequipmentvt.com. All our inventory. We're doing a lot of custom stuff. Feel free to give me a buzz. Thank you.